country boy with us.
Here's some, Eli. Come back here. Here's some. There's some big rocks. Ooh,
Wow.
a big splash. Did it make a big splash? A big splash? Here's some right here. Big splash. Make a big splash. Oh, that was a dud. Here's some. Here's some rocks right there. Make a big splash, Eli. Big splash. That was a dud. Do it again.
Hey, what you doing?
Yay! Big splash. Here, Eli. Here, Eli.
Big.
Whoop.
Getting in there now.
What is this, Eli? Hey, that's a snail. Eli, look, it's a snail, Eli. It's a snail.
I can't smell it. The smell?
Look, it's a snail, Eli.
Look at that.
Watch him. I bet he's going to go in. Snail. Look, he is going in, slowly but surely. Yeah, it's a snail. Snail, that's right. Snails.
Got to find a loose one.
Look, he's going to fall off the rock. Look. He's wiggling. Got Nana wet.
This is
Got
Nana.
Nana wet.
Nana, you just picked up a snail. You worried about getting wet? Oh, you just hit the snail. Escargot, anyone?
Look at what he's doing, Eli. Can you see it? Look, it's coming up. No. Stay back. You got me wet. That's the snail. That's the snail, yeah. Oh,
This is, man, what happened
hands
there?
are dirty. Wait a minute. In my pocket. Let me see. Getting your new shoes all yucky. Come over here. Come over here and find some rocks like this. Here, Eli. Those you're having to dig. Splash. Splash.
Oh, yuck!
You want some more? Eli, here's a big rock. Big rock. Big. Back up, Mommy. Can you throw the big rock? Ooh, big splash. Is it splashing? Splash. Ooh, look at Papa. Papa made big splash.
He says, show off.
That's right.
There you go.
That's right.
Throw that rock. Throw that rock like you mean it. You got it. Did it get you wet?
What?
Did it get you wet? Is Papa making big splashes? Eli's making big splashes.
Whoa.
Big.
Big. Big splashes.
That's right. Ah. Yay.
big splashes. That mud puddle splashes big, doesn't it? Big.
Whew.
Good job.
Take the big rocks, make big splashes. Wow.
Whoops, missed. Try again.
Yeah.
Good job.
I can throw both fingers.
That you can.
Whoa, big